I'm going to be making a rhubarb and strawberry crumble today on my cooking channel. First, I need to make sure I've actually got some rhubarb, and I'll show you how you harvest rhubarb the proper way. Well, we have got some, and it's not always going to be a red colour, your rhubarb. A lot of times you find it's green, but that's perfectly fine. So when we take this rhubarb, we have to pull it. Like that. And that doesn't leave an open wound in your plant. So I'll take some more. Just like that. And I think that's going to be plenty. So that was quick and easy, and we've got some really nice homegrown rhubarb. And while we was out there, we got ourselves another nice little harvest of strawberries. So now we've got everything we need. So all we need to do now is pop over to the cooking channel and get this made.